What's up, you guys, and welcome back to another vlog. I know we starting it looking a little rough and it's a lot going on behind me, but I promise I'm getting it together.
Hi everyone.
Why are you choking me up, bro?
AJ, get back my channel.
You telling AJ to welcome back to your channel? Give her a kiss. What you want to say to her?
I don't mind.
Okay, sing.
I don't mind. You can't say that.
You sing good.
It's my brother. I say I don't mind.
Oh. I'm getting ready for 2 events at once. I'm also saying that like y'all don't be seeing my hair starting off looking crazy in the hair videos. But anyways, the kids are having a Christmas party at my church, which basically means my mom is hosting it because she's over the kids. So we're about to head to that, and then me and Nate are going on what will 9 times out of 10 be our last double date night until baby comes. So I'm trying to get it together to go to both. I'm working, okay? About to slap my U part back on that I had on yesterday. But I wanted to open up this vlog because I don't see many more outings in my future before this baby gets here. And honestly, I love that for us. Eli, get out of that. I prepped my hair already, or my wig already. So now I'm just gonna do my edges and smack it on. We'll check in whenever we're on the way to the party or at the
Christmas holiday. It's a joyous thing. Let the angels sing. 'Cause we're together. Let it slip away. Go outside. It rains. Leave little boys.
What's up, y'all? I was trying to charge y'all and talk to y'all at the same time, but yesterday's shenanigans outings were great. I thought I was done filming all my collabs until AJ comes. I came home last night, had one more package, so I went ahead and knocked that out today. It is these clip-ins. Y'all check out the video, run it up for me because it is the last one I will have for a few weeks. Nothing too crazy, but these clip-ins are very full. I honestly thought about sleeping in them, but I also know I'm not really built like that. After I finished filming today, me and Nate went and grabbed some food from Waffle House, grabbed the kids, and then I went and grabbed this outfit from Walmart. Okay, Walmart. For me to wear home. I'm about to pack my hospital bag and film that content finally. But this set is so cute. I don't expect my stomach to be flat when I leave the hospital, but it should at least go down enough that I could fit this without looking crazy, because this is a large. But this set is so cute. It has the little silk detailing on the pants, and then it mimics it up here. I do wish the hardware was gold. And I also want to know when outfits from Walmart became $53. But it's fine. It's cute and it's worth it. And I'm going to be wearing it at such a great time. So I'm about to take this off, pack. I just finished unboxing some PR from Ali. They sent me some body washes, the big boy and the baby one. So I'm going to put the baby one in the hospital bag as well, because it just smells like, it says it brightens your mood and your skin. And moms, you know, you can use something to brighten both when it's that time. It smells so good. So I'm going to add that to the bag, get this hospital bag packed and that content filmed. And then I'm going to get ready for bed because we have church tomorrow. And after that, me and my friend Mish are doing my labor braids together. We're going to collab on them. She's going to start them. I'm going to finish them and we're going to knock it out. Hospital bag will be packed. Braids will be done. And we'll be another step closer to meeting this child of mine. So yeah, let me do that. And I'm probably gonna take these clip-ins out. I'll just put them back in the morning because I just don't know how y'all do it. I'm not built like that. I wanna be. I wish I was, but I'm just not, and it's okay. I'll check in with y'all tomorrow. I'm gonna pack my bag. Hospital bags are officially packed.
Don't spend all day looking at the motherfucking comments. Let the album come
The
out.
way you just taking it off. I'm like, I keep telling myself, until your water break, you just gotta take it. Like, whatever's happening, no, it's no real action unless your water break or you see blood.
You taking it like a G.
Listen.
Cause every time you do it, I'll be all over here like.
You're like, just breathe through
okay?
it. You alright? Quick check-in from the bathroom. The braids are in, they are done, and I am in love. As y'all heard in the last clip, I was contracting the entire time we were doing my hair. I don't know if the contractions were productive or not. We will find out at this week's doctor's appointment when they do my first check. My light just turned off. That's a sign I need to wrap this up. But baby, the bag is packed. The braids are in. She can do what she want to do at this point. I will check in with y'all tomorrow and I love y'all real bad. Later. The way I'm in the lab right now, I'm trying to maximize on these last few minutes before I go into my doctor's appointment should be studied. Like, I feel like I'm running out of time, so I'm trying to do all of the things just in case I end up going to the hospital. Y'all already know the bags are near the door, and we're gonna see what happens. What's up, you guys? We are currently on the way to the doctor. Like I was telling y'all in the last clip, I was just trying to do all of the things because I felt like time
It's slipping away from me, yeah.
I should have put the suitcase in my trunk, honestly, but I didn't. Got that? I forgot my necklace. At this point, I'm living in this hoodie because it feels like a throw blanket with sleeves and a hood. And I love that for me. Y'all tired of seeing it? Don't know what to tell you. This is what we're doing right now. So like I said, I'm on the way to get my first cervical check. Part of me is like, I hope these contractions that I've been feeling are not for naught and I'm actually dilated some. But then the other part of me is like, if I'm not, it's cool because she could just wait until next week. Alani's in the Christmas play at church on Sunday, so I definitely want to see my girl in that. And then I wanted to record a couple more episodes of Tahari Talks that I got in a clip before I go into labor. But also, if she decides that she gonna be here before the end of the weekend, that's cool too. And being pregnant this close to Christmas is just such a wild phenomenon. It's like, of course, anytime you're pregnant, you don't know when a baby is going to come. But when it's around a holiday as significant as Christmas is to myself and my family, it's like I could have a whole human here before Christmas. I could still be pregnant on Christmas. I could go into labor on Christmas. Like, we just don't know. We just don't know. I don't know. Something in my brain, that's just wild. Maybe it's the type A in me. But anyways, I will update y'all whenever we get out of the doctor and let y'all know what they say. Is this turning into the labor and delivery vlog or not? That's so sweet.
Good. That's better.
Now she's better. I'm in here trying to get right to get my little check and my swab. And he followed me around with the sheet. All in my business. All in my teas. The nurse is like, you might have the baby tonight. Let's see if she know God for real. Let's see. Alright, so quick update from the doctor before my car gets crazy again and I get overstimulated once more. I'm currently 3.5 centimeters dilated, 75% effaced, -2 engagement. I probably will not have a baby in the next 24 hours, but I probably will have a baby within the next week. So it's a very interesting time because it's like you could really be out here just opening up and you still got to go about life as usual. They're like, all right, see you later. Currently on the way to dance, to be a dance mom. After that, we're doing play rehearsal. It's just like, is everyone okay? You just wait until something actually happens, I guess. I don't know. That's the update. I'm going to end this vlog soon because 10 times out of 10, the next one will be the labor and delivery vlog. But I just wanted to update y'all. We have a busy night as far as like mom errands and stuff, so nothing too crazy. I will check back in with y'all probably tomorrow. Hi guys, I just wanted to check in really quick. I just got home. I went to drop Eli off to my mom. Thank God for the village, that villages, especially my village, because I want to knock out a quick filming day real quick. I literally told my brother I wanted to film 2 episodes of Tahari Talks today. He's like, you serious right now? I'm so serious right now. I'm having bloody show, so I know labor is fastly approaching, but I want to knock this out because I don't know how long it will be before I can get back in front of the camera. I know I'll be able to edit, so if I have it filmed, I'll feel a lot better. I'm so out of breath. I went and got my car washed And then I went and got some food. I got a chai in my system, so I'm ready to do it. I got 2 TikTok shop videos to film, and I wanted to get those out the way because one is a maternity jumpsuit, and I can't film a maternity outfit if I'm no longer pregnant. I'm gonna get that out of the way, and then I want to knock out these 2 episodes of Tahari Talks and do one last bump date. Let's just see how it goes. I will report back with my findings. The contractions have now moved to my back, so I don't know if I'm still 3.5, if things are progressing, what's what, but I'm gonna go while I can. It's so crazy because like your first baby sits you all the way down. Second baby, it's like you kind of set, you kind of not. But third, it's like, baby, I'm gonna get to the labor when it comes rushing to me, but in the meantime, I'm gonna do as much as I can do. That's where we're at right now. So let me not waste no more time. I'm gonna get into it and I will be back for y'all.
So many things I've got to tell you, but I'm afraid I don't know how. 'Cause there's a possibility that you look at me differently, love. Ever since the first moment I spoke your name, from then on
Final filming day complete. Got those episodes in, contractions and all. Updates. We came to Longhorn because my stomach was in my back, baby, and I needed to eat. We're gonna close this vlog out for real in a second though. Nate is over here making adopted new kids.
Uncle Nate love the kids, man. Uncle Nate love the kids, man. It's my boy. Nah, look, on the way.
Put them on.
On the way, Idol. It's on the way. We're working. I'm excited. But yeah, man, this might be the last little dinner date before the baby girl get here, man. So labor and delivery within the next few days. You know what I'm saying? So all in all, I'm just glad she gonna get here healthy, safe, no problem, quick delivery. Be in the hospital for a couple days, and we out. I'm excited though. I'm ready. Yeah.
I really feel like labor is close, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog on out. It is shorter, y'all just bear with me. Doing my best. I want to get in editing for this vlog because I know the next one is gonna be labor and delivery. I'll let y'all know how many days out from right now it is. It could be today, it could be tomorrow. I think I told y'all this. I want her to wait until Sunday so I can see Alani in a Christmas play at church. Hopefully that happens. We will see. Thank y'all so much for tuning into this vlog. Stay tuned for the labor and delivery vlog. AJ, are you co-signing? What's that movement, girl? Are we going into labor and delivery soon? Oh, okay. Does that mean yes? Kick if yes. Kick if no. Kick if we'll just have to wait and see. There we have it. Thank y'all for tuning into this vlog. I'll see y'all when we go into labor and delivery to have AJ. Later.